Hey all, my name is Maninder and I'm from Sydney. I just came here for a vacation and I get this opportunity to attend this course for 7 days. I talked to Mranal sir and he explained me the things in very convenient way. And when I joined the course, my expectations were that when I joined this course, my expectations were like I will get theories and just follow the normal line, but in this course it's a different. You have content with proper explanation with the practicals followed by the theories, and the content which they give you will not get it anywhere else. Wonderful experience, great content, great mentor, great coach and great team. I learned a lot from this course and definitely I'm gonna implement this in my whole life. And this course gonna change my life too. It not mean gonna change my life, it already changed my life. So I do have wonderful experiences in the practical classes, which is totally followed by theory and the logical answers for your questions too. I appreciate the efforts Manal put in this. So it's a wonderful experience, and if you have this chance to join this course, please go ahead. This is just one step and it will change your life. Thanks for that.